Realme launched its new 5G smartphone in India called Realme 16x with elegant pulse light feature. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme 16x 5G features a tall 6.8-inch HD+ display with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support, and it is protected by Panda glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is expandable up to 2 TB via microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme 16x 5G sports a 50-megapixel main camera on the rear with f1.8 aperture, and for selfies it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 7,000 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 based on Realme UI 7 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to maintain phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.5 by 78.2 by 8.8 millimeters, and it weighs around 217 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme 16x 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 23,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 25,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 6GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 28,999 Indian rupees. This smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Glory White and Endurance Brown color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme 16x 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.